Hello everyone, welcome to AJ Fashions and Apparel. Here is a quick video on how to cut out yoke from your bodice pattern. So here is the center front, which will be on fold. I already marked 3.5 inches depth for my neckline in this pattern that I drafted before. So I will add another 3.5 inches. So the depth of this yoke will be 7 inches. So this same place, the same way I place this curve ruler is the same way I'm going to bring out the shape. So this will give me sweetheart shape for the yoke. So I'll draw out this shape of yoke, and here is what I have. So I will make a cutout from it, from that armhole part down to the center front of the pattern, because the yoke will be on the upper part of the front bodice alone. Here is a cutout for front yoke. You can also do the same thing for your back yoke, and it's not necessarily have to be sweetheart yoke. It can just be straight. You can also do the front as straight as well, or whichever shape you want. So I'll be cutting out this sweetheart shape for my yoke, and after cutting this out, I will have a different fabric for the yoke. So I will cut this out, and when I make the cutout, I will, on that place that I cut out, I will add 0.5 inches all round, except the center front, which will be on fold. So I folded this net fabric into two, so that the center part will be on fold, so that it will complete the cutout of the pattern. So here is what I have. The center is on fold. I did not add allowance to the center front, but I added allowance to every other part of it. So here is it when I open it up. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.